Hey guys, it's me. I haven't uploaded in ages, and recently, about 3 months ago, I started collecting Pokémon cards, and this is my ultra rare collection. So I'll just quickly go through this. I've got my younger brother. What are you doing? Just turn it around, yeah. Okay, so I'll let my younger brother film it. So today, me and my younger brother, we went to Card Empire in Manchester. It is very good. I bought this Tyranitar V, Shiny Toxtricity V Max, this Dragonite GX, and this Dracozolt V, and 100 sleeves for £11, which was very good, I thought. £11.80. And this is my collection. So those 4 ultra rares were added to my collection. There are 100 sleeves there. Right, so that. What are you holding? Oh, you're so unprofessional, Owen. Okay, so this is my ultra rare collection. So I got this Gyarados GX full art, Garchomp V, Raichu GX, Hooper V, Mega Gyarados EX, Rainbow Rare Grant, Beedrill V, Manectric EX, Luxray V, Urshifu V Max, Zapdos V, Heatran V, Urshifu V, Urshifu V Max, Urshifu V, Bronzong Training Gallery, Togekiss V, Breloom V, Heatran V, Rainbow Zinnias Resolve, Charizard GX, Milo Full Art, Mega Rayquaza EX, Porygon Z Holo, Rainbow Rare Gordy, Full Art Asphyratic Calyrex V, Machamp V Alternative Art, Gold Double Turbo Energy, and there are just a few holos and random rares. And the 4 new ones, as I show you at the start of the video: Shiny Toxtricity VMAX, Tyranitar V, Dragonite GX, and Dracozolt V. So that's my ultra rare collection. Yeah, it's come on quite a lot. Today, so here's my brother.
Hello!
There he is. Today we're doing a pack battle.
So guys, if you get a little bit confused, I will have one more pack than Miles because I bought another pack than him. So if you should like and subscribe this video because this is going to be an interesting video.
Yeah. Shout out to Card Empire Manchester. It's so good.
Yeah, you should try it.
Yeah, you should definitely try it. You can get sleeves and also Fanboy 3 Manchester.
Also, if you have watched Mewtwo Strikes Back, then you can get these sleeves. And we watched that movie just yesterday. It's on Netflix. Try it now. It's really good.
Yep, those are the Pokemon Go Elite Trainer Box, the newest set. Sleeves. There we go, Mewtwo sleeves. And Fanboy 3 got
I got 25th anniversary cards. I got Turtwing, Chimchar, and Piplup.
And they're all jumbos.
Yeah, and they're all very rare because they're 25th anniversary.
2007.
And we've never seen them before, so these are really rare to us.
Yeah, they're cool. So we're going to get into the pack battle. First pack.
Yeah.
Which one are you picking?
Oh. Brilliant Stars.
Which pack artwork? Show everyone the pack.
An Arceus Brilliant Stars.
Okay, now bust it open. Let's see what you get. We shall be showing code cards. We won't show you guys the code cards. We'll show if it's a hit or not, though. Okay, so he's in. He's filling out the cards. Oh, rip it down.
Oh,
is it good?
It's
a bad code card.
It's not bad.
It is. That's bad. But
I'm going to do the card check.
You still have a chance of a good card. So 4 from the front.
Another Pot Hempnet.
Yeah, do it like that.
Cyfler. A card.
A trainer card, Snorant, Nosepass, Mixery, Cogchew, Dedenne, Choice Belt, and a Mewtwo, non-hollow. Cool card.
Yeah.
Now it will be my turn. I am gonna go with a Whimsicott. You fill them.
Oh, I need to see.
So there. Let's see, I got a star you. Let's see if it's a good code card.
Oh
it is
no,
not.
they're both bad code cards,
I'm
guys.
still gonna do the pack trick though.
1, 2, 3, 4. Cut to the front.
Pack. Energy. Cleaning gloves. Hunting gloves. Beatic. Staryu. Magmar. Burmy. Sork. Cherubi. Rosanna's backup. And the Wormadam. Well, that wasn't
Not bad.
I think I'd say that I won because of that reverse hollow trainer.
I think I'm going to go
So yeah.
Astro Radiant.
So he's going with an Astro Radiance Hydrogen pack.
By the way, guys, if you can't open it, you can always just ask us if you want to know how to open the pack.
Yeah, just put down in the comments if you're like, well, I can only use scissors. Yeah, you can just ask.
You shouldn't use scissors for these packs, guys. It will give you bad luck.
Normally it does. That result's going to hunt you down.
Sorry, guys. This pack's kind of hard to open.
Yeah, that's a feisty pack. Bull.
Ah,
Okay,
got
he's
it.
in. Let's see if it's a good code card. Astro Radiance is a very good set, one of my favorites. So.
Oh no, it's a bad code
one. Are
card.
you going straight through or are you doing the pack trick?
I'm doing the pack trick.
Okay.
So it's a bad code card, guys. I'm doing the... Oh, Basket Legion.
One of my favorite Pokemon.
Sweet Honey. Coctoon.
Pikachu. Oh, and you did the thingy wrong, though. I'm going to put this Mewtwo up here because it's a cool card.
So I see Yama, Hootu,
Kricketot.
Cricketot,
Sudowoodo.
Sudowoodo, Combi.
And Azizu. So your rare was at the start. You did it.
We got bad cards, guys.
Next I'm going with this Shaman Brilliant Stars back out. Brilliant Stars, a good set. Very horrible. Oh, move. Film over there. Owen, you're so... No, over there! No. You're so dumb.
Oh!
And it's a bad code card. Well, this is a terrible opening, guys. That's just very unfortunate. You haven't yet to pull it for the hit in yet. Energy. Ultra Ball. Probius. Morgan. Starly. Shroomish. Piplup. Turtwig. The card that he got over there, the jumbo card. Cinccino. Grimmsnarl. And an Ice Cube. I Ice Cube if these are good. And I don't think they are.
I'm gonna go with a Fusion Strike, guys. I don't usually open Fusion Strike, so give us some luck for this pack.
Yeah. Send in the luck. I bet you've probably already spent it on pulling, like, I don't know, a Rainbow Charizard or something. I've still got 2 left. Owen's got 3. I've got Charizard and Arceus left. As you can see, Ultra Rare pile has not changed as of yet. I think we're going to pull at least a V. Hopefully. Maybe a full trainer, maybe a Rainbow Rare, maybe a V Max, maybe a shiny. Well, not a shiny.
It's a bad code card, guys. Bad code card.
Oh dear. He's still doing the pack trick though. Okay, show us the cards out.
Another Phalanx, Simmer,
Sincere,
Crossover, Panther,
Panzer,
Minium,
Balfoy,
Bounty, Crosslock, Willfish.
Phantom, and an Arcanine non-hollow.
It's not bad.
I mean, it's not bad. Next, guys, I'm going with that Arceus pack artwork with brilliant stars. There you go, I'm going to bust this open.
Guys, there's one thing. Do not bust them open because the cards will get damaged.
It's just a stain bust open. And it's another bad code card. These have been terrible packs, guys. I'm going to go straight through this one. Save your time. Well, reverse hollow Garchomp, not bad. And a Scarpator. Decent pack. I'll take the win on that one. But,
What? No, I'll take the win.
why? What did you pull? You pulled an Arcanine and I pulled a reverse hollow Garchomp. That's worthwhile. So, yeah.
There's the
Owen's got 2 packs left. I've got 1. This is not a great opening.
I'm going to go with a Astro Radiance, guys.
The Samurai Astro Radiance. The Soothing Samurai.
Can't open it that side, sorry.
This is a little unfortunate. Ultra Rare pile down there. Not changed. So.
Oh, it's a hit.
So he
It's a
has
hit.
at least a hollow in this pack. There we go.
I'm still doing the card trick, guys.
Code card for that. Good luck to anyone who redeems that.
Another Dua, Yarmega,
Let's see your cards.
Celine,
Growly, Bergmite, Rufflet,
Rufflet,
Ponyta, Chatot, Reverse Hollow Trainer, and a
and
Hollow
Typhlosion.
Typhlosion. Not too bad. but
Yeah, not too bad. I've
least
got
it's
one
a
pack
little-
left.
I've got 1 pack left. This is my last pack. Charizard. Hopefully luck on the Charizard. And this is a good
Guys,
card.
also in this video, after this video, you should be watching Real Breaking It. He has some new cool trading videos.
Right. Floatzel.
And we got that energy
Choice
thing.
Bank. Vibra.
From
Double
him.
Kazu artwork. Riolu. Starly. Spirit Bomb. Purloin. Milcery. And the Dusknoir Hollow. Well, for me, that was a terrible opening. £15. My best card was a hollow. That's very disappointing.
Hopefully I have a V in this pack.
Maybe that alternate art Gengar VMAX. That is possible. I've not.
Final one, it's a Fusion Strike.
I mean, I pulled at least a hollow, but it's not great hollow, just a Dusknoir. So, bit unfortunate, but we'll move on. I spent quite a lot of pack luck recently, pulling 2 Rainbow Rares within 9 packs. And then within 13 packs, I still pulled 2 Rainbow Rares.
Oh,
Is it a good code card?
no.
Oh, it's unlucky. Owen, go straight through this pack. That's just unfortunate.
Sorry, guys.
He is doing it. No, he's not.
But yeah, I will.
Don't do it. You don't need to. It's just unfortunate how.
Another starters for
Frostmoth, Ninetales,
Ninetales,
Sandy Gas,
Pulse,
Meltan,
Lux, Mountain,
Toxel, Rookidee, and a Maximus non-hollow.
Sorry guys, we didn't have very much luck, but I'm going to put the decent cards in some sleeves.
That was unfortunate, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Comment down below if you want more Pokemon card videos. I feel
I
a little disappointed how we just pulled 2 hollows out of 9 packs, but it's fine. Hopefully you'll see me around, and goodbye.